It's good to be back. I haven't made a video in a little while. I've been sick for the past week and a bit, and it's very refreshing to be back and talk to you guys. Today we're gonna get some tint done on the BRZ and pick up some parts. I'm gonna show you guys some parts that we have here also that's gonna be installed. Not today, but in a future episode. And yeah, all I wanna say is so far the support for the new merch stuff has been absolutely amazing. It's been killing the air fresheners. Thank you so much. I have a website in design right now. I'm working at it. We're almost there. Then we'll have a proper website where you can see all the merch stuff. We have a new merch drop happening soon with the Lowpes sweaters. I just gotta take some merch photos and then we'll be good to go. So make sure you grab those before they're gone. And yeah, let's get into the video. This is actually going to be happening very, very soon. We're going to install the Tomei header in a couple days, and then we're gonna hear the real Subaru rumble and hear how loud it actually is gonna be. But if you guys haven't seen, we have the Tomei exhaust coming all the way back, the 3-inch one, and we're gonna pair it with the Tomei header here. And then I got a pretty cool part here. So these are some LCAs that I picked up. These are BWR LCAs. The company actually doesn't exist anymore, so these were a little hard to get. I wanted to get the polished LCAs because when you look through the hole right there, you're going to be able to see the LCA pop right through there. So I think it's going to be pretty cool that you can see the LCA right there. But check them out. Took a little while to find them, but I did finally find them, and I'm so happy to get polished LCAs. I was debating on going Cusco because I kind of want to do everything JDM on the car, but I really want to polish LCAs, so this will be one of the exceptions. But let's get the car going. Let's start her up and hear the cold start. Tinted. It's going to look 10 times better. I'll show you how it's looking now. Now we're going to pick up another part for the car. So stay tuned. Let's get it. How it's looking. I hate the fishbowl look. I think it's going to look so much better once it's tinted. What do you guys think? This Tomei's a loud boy. Check that. Super beefy. That thing's a beefcake. All right, let's go. I'm waiting for Alexander so that we can drop the BRZ off, and then Alexander and I are going to go pick up some parts, and yeah, super excited. One thing I want to share with you guys, if you guys were wondering, these are the first gen WeatherTech mats, and they actually fit perfectly in the second gen, as you guys can see. Check that out. See? There you go. The car's finally quiet down a bit. But check it out. It fits pretty good. It's doing its job. The only thing is you have a bit of a gap here, but I couldn't wait any longer. I was tired of all the salt hitting the carpet, so I pulled the trigger and went with this. Look who it is. What's up? Yeah, no, you don't want to be on camera? This is my pregnant princess right here. Almost 8 months. We got a little girl on the way. And if you guys weren't following the Instagram, well, there's the news. We're expecting a little girl in March. Pretty crazy, I'm not gonna lie, it feels so old. But super exciting news also. Make sure if you guys wanna grab some of these Lowpes air fresheners, you get 2 for $7, and you help support the brand. This is part of the drop that is happening, but if you wanna get them beforehand, you can send me a message on Instagram, which I'll put right here, and then you can purchase them. 2 for $7, they smell amazing, and the detail on them are absolutely sick. This thing's a custom image that I did with my graphic designer, and it looks absolutely sick. Car's not completely broken in yet, so I'm not trying to rip it too much, but once it is, you guys are gonna get some crazy ass shit, I promise you that. We're almost at the place. We're going to Tint World here. Oh, I think it's going to be coming up very shortly, actually. And I already know this is going to look 100 times better. What do you guys think? All right, let's get one last look at it before she gets tinted. As you guys can see, check it out. And after she gets tinted, I think she's gonna look amazing. We dropped off the BRZ, and now we're gonna grab a coffee and head over to Garage 16 where I work. I have a part to pick up for the car, which is super exciting. I'll show you guys when we get there. Your boy loves coffee, and since I've been sick, my taste buds have been out of whack, so I haven't been able to enjoy coffee. So I've been feeling good for the past 2 days, so let's see. Yep, that's nice. That's real nice. Give her! Damn, you feel that torque? Shit! Watch this guy, let's not get in a car crash. Damn, Alexandra. You don't underestimate the CX-5, ever. Catch slaps by it. No, I'm joking. Wow, look at this. Oh, look. Did I come at a good time? So check this place out. I'm not gonna lie. I work at a pretty sick place. Here's a lot of stuff we carry. One of the biggest shops here in Canada, Garage 16. Hopefully some of you guys have heard of them. And if not, check them out. We have a bunch of stuff here. Like insane amount of stuff. Check this out. Shit ton of stuff in here. It's funny, usually when you're off work, you don't miss work, but I've been off for about, oh, this is the second week, and I'm going crazy. I'm dying to come back, but this place is sick. Check it out, Garage 16, right here. Check them out, and let me show you what I got. So check it out, we got coilovers for the 22 BRZ. Big shout out to Track One for sending these things out. I'm super excited to put them on, and I think they're gonna be absolutely insane. I also have wheels that are in the works that I'm working on getting also, but excited to lower the car at least. So these are the coils that I went with, 8K front, 6K rear. If we do track it, I think it'll do a good job also. At least it's not gonna be too harsh of a ride. The spring rate's not too insane. But let's load them up and let's get out of here. Big shout outs to Track One for hooking up the coilovers. I'm super excited to try them. The spring rate's not super aggressive, so we should be okay. It should be a good daily, well, it's not a daily driver, but I'll be driving it quite often. Super excited to put those on. We're gonna do the header first, which is gonna be in a couple days. We'll do the header, and then after that, we'll do the coils with the lower control arms. And then I'm working on getting some wheels in. They're kind of some, not super rare, but you don't see them super often. And I think it's gonna look absolutely amazing on the BRZ. It's a 2-piece wheel. And yeah, so they're coming from Winnipeg. I'm talking to a guy, so we'll see. Super excited for that. And big shout out to Rick at Garage 16. Once again, check them out. We got so many parts there, it's insane. Oh damn, we picked up some food. Got myself a cheesesteak. Alexander messed up, she just got a sub. You messed up. Check that thing out. We're gonna eat, and it's already 2:30, so it'll be good for timing, and we'll get the BRZ after this clip. Check this thing out. It looks so much better tinted. So for the sides, we did 20%, and then the rear, we did 5%. I'm actually gonna go give the car a car wash so we can see how it looks nice and clean. But damn, it looks pretty good. The front windshield, I think I might do also. I might do like a 50% in the front, just to kind of match. But what's nice about it, the front doesn't look that bad anymore because the sides and the rear are tinted, so it gives a darker illusion like that. But damn, what do you guys think? Hopefully I don't get into too much trouble with the cops, because I have a feeling this might be a little too dark, but it definitely makes the car look a ton better. Check that out. I love it. What do you guys think? I think this car looks 10 times better. I even like being in the car. I really think I'm going to do the front windshield also. I think it's going to flow a lot better. What do you guys think down below? I don't want anything too dark for the front. I think we're going to do 50%, but it'll make the car flow a lot better. But it's so much nicer to be darker in here, and not everyone's seeing everything that you're doing. This is a must-have mod for any car, especially for this BRZ. I think the fishbowl look for the BRZ looks trash. Comment down below if you think otherwise. Maybe you've done a clean setup with the fishbowl setup, but I think the tinted windows, 100%. So let's go wash the car. Let's see how she looks after wash. And yeah, it's been an exciting vlog. A lot of new things happening to the BRZ. Saw some parts that we're picking up. And I kind of announced that, you know, I'm expecting a kid, so that's exciting too. If you guys haven't watched or seen the post on my Instagram, yeah, check her out. Nice and clean now. Woo, the ceramic coating on this car definitely helps. Even if it's kind of like freezing temperatures, as you can see, most of the car has been dried off, and we did not even use a towel. This car is still probably dirty, but it's looking hella nice. What do you guys think? I got some badass wheels coming. Hopefully everything works out. There's some JDM wheels that I think is going to suit the car very nicely. We got some coilovers to go in, and a lot of exciting things happening. Check it out. The tint looks so much better on the car. It looks so nice. What do you guys think down below? Definitely helps the car look good. The rear looks super nice now, especially with the tinted, you know, all these little black accents, and then this beefy JDM Tomei exhaust right there. That looks absolutely insane. I love this thing. We're definitely gonna get a block off for that side, but until then, you'll see those lower control arms, and you're gonna see those polished lower control arms. It's gonna be super exciting. Hope you guys are excited for what's to come. A lot of big things happening. Super excited to share it with you guys. There it is, guys. Big things happening in this video. We got some mods. I announced them having a kid. Baby Lopes is on the way. Send some love down below. Give her some good vibes coming into this world, and let her know that the Lopes fam and the Lopes squad loves her, and we'll definitely incorporate that little munchkin into these videos. I'm super excited to see her. Also, big news too, website is going to be launched soon. I've been working on a website for the merch and everything, so that you can go to one place and just purchase it. So lopesgarage.com is on its way, so very hyped for that. Get strap up, boys and girls. We got a lot of big things coming. It's absolutely crazy knowing how many of you guys support the brand and support the cause and want to see me succeed, and I just want to thank you so much. As even if it's as small as an air freshener, or you want to rock some of these Lopes merch that we're coming out with, I'm super hyped and super motivated. I've had a crazy dream of building cars online and showing you guys my builds and my vision and my life, and you guys have been loving it and responding to it, and I just want to say thank you. Crazy to know that all you guys are following the journey and you guys are excited for the BRZ. I'm hyped. This BRZ like lit a spark in me that I haven't had in a little while. And I'll be honest, I never went to a car wash like we just did today with the 10 Gen. I don't know, I love the 10 Gen, but it wasn't new. So I don't know, it's hard to explain, guys. This is new, this is exciting, and a lot of big exciting things happening in my life right now, and I'm here to share it with you guys, and hope you guys come along for the journey and subscribe, you know, and just, you know, something as small as subscribing to the channel, liking and sharing it means a lot. It's the smallest little thing that takes you guys seconds, but it means a lot to someone like me whose dream is to do this full time. Right now I got a pretty good gig at Garage 16 and doing this, so I'm pretty happy, but I'd love to take this full time one day. All right, guys, we're gonna end off the video here. Thank you so much for watching. I love all you guys. Drop some love down below for the baby Lopes coming into this world very soon. Thanks again. Peace out. Like, comment, subscribe. Do it once. Do it right.